Installing DocBuild Plus is as simple as downloading and running the Doc Plus MSI file and choosing to accept all defaults. When you launch the installer, click Run when prompted, then proceed by clicking Next to begin the installation process. The next screen of the setup process asks the user to select the destination folder where the DocBuild application will be installed on the computer. The user can also choose whether the application will be installed for all users, everyone, of the workstation, or just his or her own user. It is recommended that the defaults be selected. Click the Next button to proceed. Now confirm the installation by clicking the Next button. Once the installation completes, click the Close button. Choose to activate the software and continue. You'll be prompted to enter your license ID and password. This information is found on your electronic receipt after you purchase the DocBuild Plus program. Once you have filled out the information, click OK. The DocBuild Plus program is now fully activated and ready to be used. You'll discover when the DocBuild Plus program has been installed, a shortcut icon for DocBuild is placed on the desktop, which can be used to launch the application. Or you can launch it by clicking your Windows Start button and under the All Programs listing, selecting the ScamPoint folder and clicking on the DocBuild Plus icon. Upon first launch, you'll be asked if you would like to set the DocBuild printer as your default printer. For most users, and to maximize your automatic paperless workflow processes, we recommend selecting Yes for the greatest convenience. For the best user experience, we encourage configuring the DocBuild program to correspond with default print drivers, fax drivers, and supported e-signature partners if you have a subscription to one of those services. To configure these features, open the DocBuild viewer. Click on File, then Application Settings on the menu bar. On the General tab, you will see a default print driver option. Choose the default printer you wish to print to once the print button has been pressed in DocBuild. The fax print driver option is also available to launch whichever fax print driver is installed on your computer. For further information on these and other user configurable settings, please consult the DocBuild User's Guide. The Display tab contains a list of items and features that you can add or remove from the toolbars in the main viewing pane, such as enabling the email button. Those who use an email client software can add this button to the toolbar on their Document tab for quick and easy sending of their document to email recipients. DocBuild Plus currently provides an integration button for two popular e-signature services, DocuSign and EchoSign, and may accommodate other signature programs in future updates. To set up the DocBuild Plus program for e-signature use, click on the e-Sign tab located at the top of the Application Configuration menu, and a panel will open up requesting account information. E-signature services are integrated to external subscription accounts purchased by users directly from those vendors and are not part of the DocBuild program. Activate the e-signature account options by clicking on the checkbox of the e-sign service corresponding with account information. Account username and password is provided by a third-party e-signature service when signed up with an account at EchoSign or DocuSign or another accommodated program. The DocSign menu accepts a default title for the subject line. This can be left blank to be filled in manually or entered in to be pre-filled. A default message may also be entered in the default email body section. Once account information has been entered and completed, click OK and a DocuSign or EchoSign button will appear to be active on the document menu bar. We encourage you to view the other tutorial videos as well as consult your user's guide for more detail about items not covered in this video.
Interested in what Queso can do for you? Subscribe to our channel now and check out these videos.